Right, this is a screen to go onto the computer, and it has a DVD player built in, which is quite cool, but it's not going, so we'll plug that in, turn on the power, so hopefully you can see that. No disc. One of my favourite movies, Australian true story of a red dog, hence red dog. Got Damien out there with his diesel ute. Hold on a sec, I'll shut down that window. Right, and this is a good disc, and as we can see here, label side, mirror side. So mirror side goes in there. It's taking the disc in, it's trying to read it. Can't hear a motor or anything going. Oh yeah, hear the motor going. It's spinning. No, I can't read it. And spat the disc straight out. Okay, so we shall pull it apart and have a look and see what's going on. Right, got the back off. Got the power. DVD ROM's here. So we'll pull this one here out, and then we'll start having a look. Yes, I think that'd be easier. Right here, I've got it out, and you can see it does have some dust. So I'd say the lens is probably dusty. So we'll take the lid off, and I'll come back when I've done that. There we go, it's all apart. Doesn't look too bad. As you can see, the little laser is right under there, and it does actually look clean. So I like to clean it anyway. Yeah, you're not going to have to see much, but a little bit of ISO, take the excess. Don't push hard, just a gentle little wipe. Up and down, down and up, right to left, and left to right. Then grab the dry end. Just sort of rest on it and just give it a little bit of a, yeah, it's a little bit dirty. Don't push hard because you'll get the laser out of alignment. Alright. Right, that's all in, all plugged in. Right, we'll get the power lead. We shall plug that in there without touching anything. Power is that one. Alright, just be careful what I'm touching. Oh! Yeah, shouldn't have touched that one. Right. If you don't do this yourself, I advise you just to sit the back on. Alright, we'll grab the disc. Put the disc in. And come on, read it. Come on. we have more problems. Oh, there we go. No. Come on. No, it spat it straight out. Well, that's a fail. We're zone 4 here in New Zealand, and we can take zone 2, which is also Australia. Right, it's all turned on. We'll get our disc and disc going in. Right, what do we have? A bit of a crack there too. Never saw that before. That's a shame. It's spinning. Trying to read it. Nah, and there it goes. That spat it straight back out. I'll tell you, there's probably more problems. Right. So electrify myself. I'll turn it off. Lay it down. And unplug the power, which I've just got it dangling there. It's only 240 volt. There.